I am all read up on soaker hoses. Did you know that they are highly efficient, and when you cover them with mulch, they reduce water runoff as well as evaporation? Now, they're a little bit more expensive on the front end, but the savings are totally worth it.
Step 1, water hose.
Because of Georgia 811, we know that the area right next to our driveway is clear of underground utilities and free to dig. And we planned on laying PVC pipe, however...
It's the end of the weekend, and we're pretty tired. So instead, we just took a hose and snaked it around the edge of the driveway. Step 2, soaker hose. Now, make sure that you use the pins to kind of place the soaker hose on the ground as you wind it through your garden.
If you have clay soil, you'll want to distance it around 24 inches, but if you have sandy soil, you can reduce that to 12.
Well, and as she said earlier, mulch is a really great moisture retainer, so we put that on top of the hose.
Step 3, turn on hose and check for flow. Test your soil to make sure that your soaker hose is working properly, but be sure to water accordingly because not all plants require the same amount of water.
You can also use a water distribution timer to automate your soaker hose. Well, we're done with that little project.
Almost. I can't wait until we move to the backyard next weekend, though.
We're building a fire pit.
I'm so excited.